What's up, guys? Just a quick update on the truck. We got this inflatable paint booth. I'll show you a little video of that, a little time lapse how we put it together. We are prepping the truck for paint, just the caps though, nothing else. Steven, he's doing his job. He got all this
paint stuff.
All this paint stuff, man. All kinds of stuff. Prep the caps as much as we can. Throw some freaking plastic on it. Prep the frame a little bit. Nothing too fancy. You know how it is. Put some bolts. I went and bought brand new bolts for the frame because it's just how you gotta do it, man. Put bolts. There's gonna be the fuel tank bracket over there. I'm gonna clean up this fuel rivets a little bit more. Oh, by the way. Okay, so we deleted the horns. Gonna sand it and paint it, of course. These two holes are for the mirror bracket right here. This is gonna be for the other bracket right there. And we have five cab roof lights. We're gonna add two more in between. I have them over there on the table sitting. I bought the Arroyo kit, the single bag Arroyo kit. There you have it. Those are the top brackets. Pretty beefy. Arroyo. The shock mounts, bump stops, bottom brackets, and the shocks have their name as well. We're gonna paint the APU condenser cover bracket as well. This is junk, because he has brand new step covers. Alright, Steven says he's gonna start priming this thing.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Oh, oh. Why are you so close up to my face, eh? Yeah. I think there's enough room to
We have enough overhead room, which is really good.
Yeah.
And I think we have enough room. So looking at how that zips, it looks like, okay, the ground zips, but I think we can just zip the top, essentially.
Yeah, we can try that if you want.
We should, bro, because I think we could just zip the top and both posts.
Let's give it a go.
Yeah. Want to get a ladder, huh?
Yeah. What do you guys think? You think it's ghetto or it's worth the money? Cause I don't know. I think it kind of saves the day, you know, when you gotta paint and there's no one else to go. You let me know in the comments what you think. 'Cause I like it. I like it. Steven painted the tops and now he's gonna start painting the frame. Let me walk around real quick, show you what we have right here. We taped up some stuff. I'm not spraying inside of the frame. There's no point. It's gonna be covered with deck plate and later, and the paint is good. This is how the roof turned out. It's not decent for a single stage. That's badass.
Brand new.
Yeah. Today we're doing a valve adjustment on the CVT. You gotta turn the engine to set the pin. Top dead center. I have a special tool over there that bolts to the flywheel, spring loaded, and when it's top dead center, it'll pop into place. It'll lock the engine. Till then, you just gotta crank it.
Now, how long does it take?
It takes a while to turn the engine over. The little ratchet.
Is it even more?
Some people use the starter.
Take whatever, my friend. So what are you doing here?
We're gonna do a valve adjustment on the 2WS cat. We're gonna start with number 1 cylinder. I have a little cheat sheet over here. There's all which ones you should do and what order. So the people that does this every day, they know. But when you do it once in a while, you gotta make sure. Yep. Yeah, we're still turning the engine on. Gotta get it to the top dead center.